guys, I'm Jess and welcome back to Magical Mischief. Today we have got another Mystery Monday video. We're going to be opening some Remember When Doorables. Now I've got 3 of the Little Moment Peaks. These are the ones that look like the Polaroid camera. Let's see if I can get into these without scissors. I am very excited to get into this series because it's got some really fun characters. I'm going to actually just take the wrapping off of all of them. I am so excited to just get into these. Can't tell you how excited I am. So it's been, I have to say, just to give you update and stuff, it's been a bit of a stressful day today, so this is a nice way for me to unwind by opening some Doorables with you guys. Now these do open, as you can see, but as these are the Polaroid camera version, you can just, the labels come off, pull all the packets out, and you get 4. Now each of these does come with a collector card, and the collector card does indicate one of the characters you will definitely get. Okay, to open the first packet. Oh, we have got Moana. How cute is she? Now, I will, if I can... yeah. So Moana is one of the options, and before I continue, each of the characters have a form from when they were young and when they were older. So these are, the characters you can collect. So we got older Moana, and she is a rare. Very nice. On to number 2. Oh, we have got Simba. Now Simba is a common. So if you didn't know by now, which you should do because it would have been posted on Instagram by the time this video goes out, opening bag number 3. Any characters that I don't collect, I am now turning into Doorable pens, like with the beads, and it's very exciting. Oh, we have got Heimlich. And this is Baby Heimlich. He is a common. Bag number 4. Oh, this is a dupe. I do have him. I can see him over there, but this is one, if he was new, I would have been really excited about. This is older Cusco, so Cusco as a llama. He is going to be really fun actually to turn into a pen. Okay, so on to our next. Oh, hang on. Which one did I just do? Let me show you the card, sorry. And the card we got was Baby Heimlich. Now I will say I have no massive interest in collecting. The cards. If they are cute and a character I collect, I might keep them, but I'm not massively interested at the moment. So we've got our next 4 bags. So bag number 5. Oh, we've got adult Heimlich. Very cute. This is when he's a beautiful butterfly. And he is, let me see. Oh, he is an ultra rare. Very nice. Bag number 6. We have got baby Simba. He's got some paint or something hanging off him, but he is adorable. So adorable. Bag number 7. We have got, I think this is a dupe as well, because I've seen it over there. Oh no, this is young Judy. Oh, she's a rare. I need her. I think I've got adult Judy over there actually. I might be wrong, but she is so cute. And bag number 8. Oh, we have got baby Stitch and Scrump. He is adorable. I think this is baby Stitch. Now, I will say, I don't know why this is baby Stitch, considering at the beginning of the movie you see him in his alien form, and alien form is the adult version, but he's cute anyways. He's a common. And so popular at the moment with the live action out. And the card that we got was baby Stitch and Scrump. How adorable. Into our last one now. Bag number 9. Oh, we have got baby Elsa. I was going to call her Moana then. It's not Moana. How cute is she when it wants to vote? Adorable. 10. Oh, we've got adult Judy. Very nice. So, young Elsa is common and adult Judy is common. Number 11. Oh, we've got a duplicate baby Heimlich. He is, if I didn't say before, an ultra rare. And last one. Oh, Tiana. Which Tiana is this? Oh, this is ultra rare grown-up Tiana in her stunning white dress. How cute is she? So stunning. So I didn't get anyone desperately that I wanted today, apart from Cusco and the Judys. So they are probably my favourites, and I love this Tiana. Please let me know your favourites in the comments down below. I would love to be able to see if I could get the Mikes, the Dorys, Ember, of course, Lotso, Baby Cusco is needed, and Anton Ego, but he is limited edition, so that'd be very difficult for us to get him. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe down below and turn on that notification bell so you're notified when more magical mischief is coming your way. I really hope you have enjoyed this video, guys, and I'll see you very soon for another Mystery Monday. Bye, guys!